What's up, y'all? Y'all know who it is. Y'all know what it is. Your boy JP comes out with another how-to. Today we got 2013 Toyota Prius, and I'm gonna show you how to take out your 6x9 speakers and swap them out. If this is your first time tuning into the channel, please consider subscribing. This is what we do here: car audio tutorials, radio removals, Q&As, speaker removals, and replaces, and all that stuff. Either way, now this like I said earlier, the door panel is fairly easy. You only have two screws that's holding this in. You have one that's behind here, and you have one that's here in this little thing. So we want to remove that little rubber thing right there, and then you see one Phillip, and then if you take your panel removal tool or whatever you got, pop that off, we have one more. So let's go ahead and take them screws out. Alright, so now that we have those screws out, one thing that you could do, you could remove this piece and then remove that piece. It's not needed, but you could do it if you want to. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take my hand right here on this edge around the bottom, and I'm going to pop these clips. Oh, it's kind of hard. Alright, let's try this. There we go. Alright. Pop that clip on that side. I'm gonna push this light from the back, take the harness out. Keep popping, just keep popping, just keep popping. And you just wanna lift up on the door panel like that, put it like this. Now, if you guys can see, you got two little things that go for your locks and your switch. The white's at the top, green's at the bottom. You just want to pull that out like that, and then remove that little ball. I'll show you again. Pull it out like that, and then remove that little ball up. Then we have these harnesses that we just want to unplug. And then now we got that door panel out. All right, so there you have it right here, the 6x9. Now we want to go ahead and take out the harness, and you see these are riveted in, so guess what, we're gonna have to drill these out. So let's go ahead and get our drill bit, start the drilling. All right, so basically what you want to do is you want to drill right in the center as much as possible, and you want to get this little metal part to pop out. So that's what we want to drill out. There will be another small piece on the other end. That's the actual rivet. This little plastic piece we're not worried about, because I'm going to use my panel removal tool, my metal one, and I'm just going to pop it off the back, but we need to get these metals out. All right, like I said, put this behind here, just do it like that. Put it behind there, do it like that. On the back side. Alright, so that's that. Now I'm going to take my bracket and see if I even need to try to pop these out. I might not have to, so let's go grab the bracket real quick. Alright, y'all, so it seems like I just went on and peeled the plastic part off. That shouldn't be an issue, because I'm going to use my self-tapper screw and screw right next to that, and it seems to be the same way on all of them, so I'm pretty good. I got my speaker harness coming out the top. And if you guys don't know what speaker harnesses is, they're the easiest way for you guys to install speakers. They already have positive and negative leads on the other side with the little connectors, and then you just take that, plug it in, and you're done. Literally makes your install life easier. It takes a 45-minute install down to about 15-20 minutes. Let me go ahead and screw this in real quick. All right, guys, and that's about it. I went on here, like I said, I just drilled right next to it, got that mounted, got my speaker harness in. I'm probably going to end up zip tying this to here just so it's not in the way. If you guys found any type of value in this video, man, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff. Until next time, this is your boy JP signing out.